guys, Mike and Dean from Dean Speed Customs here, and let me show you around a little bit. So this is Kronk, the shop dog. So when you first come in here, this is our showroom. You're gonna be greeted by Bill here or myself.
Hi guys, how you guys doing today?
So this is where we show all of our products as well as some of the stuff that we offer. We do a wide range here. We do Harleys, Indians, a little bit more than that as well. But those are our main two focus. We have a full range of parts, crash bars, handlebars, sissy bars, slip-ons, all kinds of stuff, you name it. So if you don't see what you're looking for, let us know. We could probably get it for you, or we can make it for you. Let's check out the shop where it's all made. So this is going to be our service side where we do a little bit of everything. So anything from full dyno tuning, we do exhaust systems, cams, big bore kits, whatever you need, we can install it here. All the way from oil changes to handlebars, everything in between. So if you have any service work you need done on your Indian or Harley, let us know, we can make that happen for you. So next we're going to go on to the CNC side where we actually make all of our billet parts in-house. Over here is where it starts out. So each part starts out as what's called a billet. So basically just a billet of aluminum, a solid block. That way this gets cut down into individual shapes, whether it be foot pegs, risers, handlebars, or whatever. These are all going to be our pistol grip pegs here. I'll show you what we got going on. So in the machine here, you can see that it is cutting all the parts out of there. We do multiples at a time to keep the production high on these because they are in high demand. So these go from this to this. So you can see the shape taking form here. Then from the final result, it's going to be this. So we do more than just CNC parts as well. We also do full-on fabrication. So all of our handlebars, our sissy bars, crash bars, everything is made right here in-house. So these are some sissy bars that we got built that are in staging to go to powder coat. So each guy's got their own station. We kind of broke it down by product. So Anthony's going to be our crash bar guy.
Oh, sorry.
So he's welding up all of our Scout crash bars here. We got everything staged, ready to go piece by piece. Over here is going to be the sissy bar section, where Caden makes all of our Dean Speed sissy bars. Everyone is hand bent, built to order. Everything here is TIG welded. We don't MIG anything. It's all custom made. All right, so over here is going to be the exhaust department. Mike handles all of our slip-ons and full systems. So right now he's making some of the old Scout mufflers for your 14 to 24 Scouts. We also do the 25 and newer everything, and a whole bunch of other bikes as well. So we also do a little bit of custom fab too. So if you want something that's not on the books or kind of one-off, so we can do custom fab. Right now we're doing a full stretch neck dyna chopper for Bubba. So this is going to be a full-on build, everything in between. So we started with a very basic frame, went up 6 inches on the neck. We're going forward a little bit as well. So this is all custom hand done here. So we also do our powder coat in-house as well. So this is where J&M powder coating is. So everything from Dean Speed is powder coated by J&M. It's another company they have with my dad that we do right here in Phoenix, Arizona. So we do more than just motorcycle stuff. We can do chairs, motorcycle frames, car tires, whatever. So once they come out of the oven, they are then inspected for quality, double checked everything at every stage of the way. So we have QC from after it's built, before it goes to powder coat, so after powder coat, and then another time here is shipping and receiving. So this is our warehouse. So this is where all the final product comes to get staged, as well as QC'd one more time right before it gets shipped out. So as we can see, we're doing inventory and everything, make sure our counts are accurate and the product's going out the door. So all the finished products here. So from here, everything is being wrapped up, packaged, ready to go to your door. So we take great pride in making sure the product gets to you without any damage. We do best to ensure everything by bubble wrapping it, plaster wrapping, foam wrap, and then it's QC'd another time before it goes out the door. So that is the front to back of Dean Speed and everything in between.